How should we prepare for the Hajj, and what are the matters we should look forward to, and what are the matters to be taken care of, especially in preparation for the Hajj? First of all, learn the Hajj very well. Make sure that you know the actions, the rites, and all the process of the Hajj, the ibadah. Remember to take advice from a recent Haji, from one who had recently been for the Hajj the last year or so. Ask them as well about certain problems you might be facing. But most importantly, learn the method. Now we have plenty of books. Beyond books, we have multimedia applications, we have the internet, we have videos, we have DVDs. And I believe that all Hajj operators also do have some DVDs available. So make sure that you're well prepared when you go for the Hajj. Secondly, look after your health. Make sure you are healthy. Make sure you eat well, especially before these Hajj days. Make sure that you are used to walking for long distances, because during the Hajj you shall be walking for long distances. So make sure that you have a practice, your practice into this, that you walk, and if you can walk barefoot also. Practice walking barefoot. That will come in handy a lot, inshallah. Last but not least, make sure that your niyyah, your intention is perfect. It should be sincere. It should be pure. It should be only to seek and avail the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The purpose should be to go and meet with the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala whose house you're going to. The tawaf and the Safa and the Marwa and Safa, the Sa'i, all these things, all the ibadah, the Mina, the Muzdalifah, the Arafat should be for Allah only. And yes, also you get to meet Muslims from around the world. Wherever you go during the Hajj days, you have Muslims from around the world. Do meet with them, make friends with them, bond with them, and that will help, inshallah, bring together the Muslim community from around the world. May Allah accept your Hajj, and for those of us who shall not be going this year, may Allah make the Hajj and the Umrah easy for them, and may Allah bless them with the opportunity of visiting the holy places, the twin holy cities, again and again.